Okay, hi to all. This is Munja Makaswero from 9th class TSWRSU Algunu. Welcome to mathematics. Okay, today we are going to discuss and learn about how to find the squares of numbers. You know the squares are very important in the mathematics or any real life problems. Okay, so in the squares generally we will do the problems if 13 square is there. Simply we can do 13 into 13 like this, okay, by the table. But now I will tell you the simple tricks. Within 3 or 4 seconds we can get the answer. Okay, see here, now first of all, what is called squares? Yes, in mathematics the product of some integers itself are called square. If you can see here one of the example, 9 is a square. So 9 can be written as 3 into 3. So 3 is a 3 square. So 3 square equal to 9. Okay, this type of. So okay, now below hundreds, the squares which are started with 1. In the case 1 we are going to learn squares always positive, non-negative. Okay, here you can see here this. Then simply if we take like 3 square equal to, you can simply say the answer 3 into 3 9, or 6 square equal to 6 into 6 36, like this, because these are only one digit squares. Okay, by the table we can say. But when the squares are in the 2 digits, you can see a 12 square. Okay, 12 square equal to, we generally we can do the multiplication and we can get the answer. But simple trick is, here you can see a 12 square. So starting with 1. Yes sir, what is our case 1? Square starts with 1. Okay, here starts with 1. So you have to write here 1. Next, what is the digit? 2. Write down here. And in the last digit, in the 1, what is the ones place digit? 2. So square it. 2 square equal to 4. In the middle place, you have to add same number. 2 is there, you have to add same. So 4. Next, 2 plus 2, 4, 1. 144. Yes or no? This is our square. 2 square equal to 144. This is our answer. And another example, 17 square. 17 square is there. Okay. This is also starting with 1. So right here 1. Next, what is the digit? 7. Next, in the 1's place digit 7 is there. So square it. 7 square equal to 49. In the middle you have to add same digit. Next, 49. 7 plus 7, 14, 1. In the first case we got only one digit, like this. So this is our final answer. In the but second case we have got 2 digits, 2 digits, 1 digit. So that's why we have to carries. Here 9. Okay. Next, 4 carries to the 14. If we add 14 plus 4, 18, we will get 80. Next 1 carries 2, 289. Yes or no? This is our the answer. 289. 17 square equal to 289. Okay, I understood. Okay, another example we will take. Another example. If you take 19 square. Okay, 19 square equal to, starting with 1. 1, write down 9. Here and in the last digit you have to square it. 9 square equal to 81. And middle you have to add same digit. 81. 9 plus 9, 18. 1. Next 1. If you carries 18, 8 to the 18, 26 you will get 2 carries 3. 361 is our answer. Yes or no? And another example, 13 square. 13 square. 1. Write down 3. And last digit you have to square it. 3 square equal to 9. Add same number in the middle. 9. 3 plus 3 6. 69. 169 is our correct answer. If you get only 1 digits, that is our final answer. If you got like this 2 digits or 1, you have to master carries. Then we will get the correct answer. Okay, have you understood case 1? Okay, in the second case, the squares ends with 1. The squares which are ends with 1. Okay, in case 1 we have learned about the squares which are starts with 1. Simple. Here ending with 1. You can, by observing, you can say that squares are ending with 1. Yes or no? So that's why when the squares are started with 1, we move from left to right. 1 to 2 square. from here ending with 1, so that's why you have to come right to left 2. You can simply have 1, reverse process 2. What is the I square it the first digit, 2 square equal to 4, and another same process, add same number in the middle, 1 2 plus 2 4 4 441, 21 square equal to 441. Yes or no? Yes, we got same answer in the seconds only. Okay, but without pen paper you can say the answer, okay, by the seeing. So 41 square, so 1 4 4 square 16, add same digit in the middle, 1 4 plus 4 8, here 16 is there, we got 2 digits. Yes or no? So 1 8 16 is in the only first place, so that's why we don't have to carry this. Okay, by adding all numbers we can get the same answer. In the 61 square, see here another example, 1 write down 6 square equal to 36, add same digit in the middle. Next add 1 to 6 plus 6 12 36. Okay, in this we got 2 digits, so that's why I have to carry 1 2. If we carry 1 to the left side, 37 will get. So 3721, 61 square equal to, yes. Yes, 91 square is there. So 1 9 9 square equal to 81. Add same digit in the middle and 1 9 plus 9 18 81. Okay, 1 8. If you carry 1 to the 81, 82 will get. So 8281 is the answer. Okay, I have understood case 2, the squares which are ends with 1. Simple, nothing is there. When the squares are starting with 1, you have to move left to right, 1 to last digit square it. When the squares are ending with 1, you have to come from right to left, 1 6 6 square. Okay. Okay, in case 3, the squares are same numbers. Case 1 and case 2 starts with 1 and ends with 1. In the case 3, third, you can see here observing only same digits. Yes or no? 1 1. Here 3 3 33, 5 5 55, 8 8. Means same digits. Okay. When the digits are same, you can you can get the answer in simply. Okay, 11 square is there, same digits now. So you have to square it. 1 square equal to 1 square, 1 square, 1 square. Okay, 1 square in the middle also you have to add same. 1 square equal to 1, 1 square equal to 1, 1 square equal to 1. Okay, in the middle you have to add same digit. 1 plus 1 1. Okay, 1 plus 1 2 1 is there. 121 is the correct answer. Yes, when the squares are same digits. Okay. In the second place, 3 square equal to, you have to square 3 times. This is a 2 digits square, so we have to must get 3 steps. 1 2 3. Okay. Here 3 square equal to 9, 3 square equal to 9, and 3 square equal to 9. In the middle you have to add same digit. 9 plus 9 18, 9. In the middle we got 2 digits, so we have to carries 9 8. Carries 1 to the left, we will get 10. So 1089 is the correct answer. Yes or no? In seconds only we can tell the answer. Say 55 square is there. 5 square equal to 25. Again 5 square equal to 25. 5 square 25. In the middle you have to add same digit. 25. 25 plus 25 50. 25. Okay. Yes or no? 25 is there. In these 3 cases we got 2 digits. Okay. So we have to carry 5. If we carries 2 left 2, 52. So 2 carries 5 to the left, 30 we will get. So 3025. What is the 55 square? If they ask 55 square equal to, you can say simply you have to 5 square 5 square 5 square. In the middle place you have to add same number and carries 3025 is our answer. 88 square is there. See 64. 8 square equal to 64. Again square it. Again 3 times square it when the squares are same digits. In the middle you have to add same. 64 128 64. Now carries 4. If we carry 6 to the left, 134 we will get. Next 13. How much we will get? 77. Okay. 77 4 8 square. Understood? Okay, in case 4, how to find the squares of numbers, different numbers. Okay, in case 3 we have learned about the same numbers. In case 4 the different numbers. By seeing questions, here 2 is 6, both are different, and 7 and 3 both are different, 3 and 8 different, 9 and 8 are both are different. So when the squares are different, this will be very important. Yes or no? They don't ask the same numbers are starting with 1 or ending with 1. By they will compulsory ask the different squares of numbers. So you can simply you can get the answer. 26 square is there. Okay, how to square it the first digit. 2 square equal to 4 and last 6 square equal to 36. In the middle you have to multiply this both digits. Okay, 2 6 are 12. I understood. First digit you have to square 4 and last digit 6 square equal to 36. In the middle you have to multiply 2 and 6. 2 6 are 12. In the middle you have to add same digit. 12 is 12 plus 12. So 36. 12 plus 12 24 and 4. Now 6 carries 3 to 24 27 2 6 676 is our answer. Okay, I got. Next 38 square is there. 3 square 9, 8 square 64. In the middle you have to multiply. 3 8s are 24. Add same digit in the middle digits. 64. 24 plus 24 48. Next 9. Now 4 carry 6 to the left. 54 we will get. 5 14. So 1444. Yes, 38 square equal to. Next 73 square is there. These are all different square numbers. So 7 square equal to 49. And next 3 square equal to 9. In the middle you have to multiply. 7 3 is a 21. Add same digit in the middle. 9 21 plus 21 42 49. Okay, next 9 2 4 carries to the left 53 will get. So 5329. Yes, 73 square equal to. Next 98 square equal 9 square equal to 81. 8 square equal to 64. In the middle you have to multiply both. 9 8s are 72. Add same digit in the middle. 64. 72 plus 72 144. Next 81. 64 is this. 4 carries to the left 6. 150 will get 0. 15 carries to the left 96. Okay, 9604. In the case 4 we have learnt about case 1, case 2, case 3, starting with 1, ending with 1, and the same digit. That 3 cases are also comes under in 4th case. Okay. Okay, we have learnt about case 1, case 2, case 3. The 3 cases also I will show in the 4th case. Okay, here starting with 1. Okay, we have the particular trick, but we can get the answer by in the fourth case also. Here you can see here 1 is a different number, 5 is. Both are by seeing 15 square, 1 and 5 both are different now. So you can take like that. 1 square equal to 1, 5 square equal to 25. In the middle you have to multiply. 1 5 is a 5. In the middle place you have to add same number. 25, 5 plus 5, 10, 1. Now 5. 2 carries to the left. 1 12 we will get. 1 2 225. Yes or no? If we do the first case starting with 1, we will get answer, or by the different numbers also. Here 22 square is there. This is the same digit square, same number squares, but different square numbers also we can get the answer. 2 square equal to 4, 2 square equal to 4, and in the middle you have to multiply. 2 2s are 4. Add same digit in the middle. 4 4 plus 4 8 4 484 is the answer. Okay, 61 square ending with 1. But different number is 1 and 6 are different now. So 6 square equal to 36, 1 square equal to 1. In the middle you have to product 6. Add same digit in the middle. 1 12 36. Now 1 2 carries 1 to the left 37 3721. It's a 57 square is there. Okay, different numbers now. 5 square 25, 7 square 49. Multiply 5 7 the 35. Add same number in the middle. 49. 35 plus 35 70. Next 40 25. 9 4 carries to the left, 74, 7. What we will get? 32, 3249. Okay, I understood. You got all three cases also comes under in the fourth different squares numbers. We can get the answer. Okay, in case 5, when the squares are in the squares once place digit is 5, we can simply get the answer easily. Okay, by seeing questions, you are in the ones digit place, only 5s are there. When these 5s are in the ones place arranged with 1, we can get the simply ending with 5 now. So what is the first digit in the this 25 square? 2. So what is the next digit after 2? We will get in the consecutive like 2 1 2 3 plus 4, 1 2 3 4 5 6 like that. What is the next digit, next number after 2? 3. Yes or no? 3. So that's why you have to product 2 into 3. Okay, 2 3 is a 6. Next, square it the last digit in the ones place. What is the ones place? 5. So 5 square it 25. This is the answer. Okay. When the squares are ends with 5, you can get simply easily get the answer. Okay. Here starting with ends with 1 and 5 ends with 5. So what is the first digit? 6. After what we will get 6? After 6 7. So 6 7 is 42. Next 5 square equal to 25. 4225. Okay. Next 95 square is after 9 10. 9 10 is 90. 5 square equal to 25. 9025. If you do generally multiplication like this 95 into 95, you won't get 95 table directly. So you can do the problem 5 5 is 25, 2 5 9 is 45, 2 47 and so on, so like this. By these tricks you can get the simple answer. Okay. Next 45 square is this. After 4 what we will get? 5. So 4 5 is 20 and 5 square is 25. So 2025. Okay, we have learnt the 5 cases. We starting with 1 and ends with 1. Same numbers and different numbers and ends with 5. Okay, these are tricks satisfied below 100 squares. Okay, thank you.